Good morning, Miss Palmes. Have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, here's my first question. What do you consider as your weaknesses?
Self-criticism and or self-doubt and public speaking are one of my weaknesses, ma'am. But when you believe in yourself, you can overcome self-doubt or any weaknesses you have the confidence to take action and get things done.
Okay. So, this is my next question for you. How long do you plan to work for this company if you are hired, Miss Palmes?
There is no specific number of years, ma'am. I would like to work where I can continuously gain skills and get more knowledge, and I would like to be in a respectful position in your organization. I would like to work for your company as long as your company needs me, and I will try to move your company at its best position.
Nice? Okay. My last question for you is, do you plan to work outside of the country in the future?
I am willing to move overseas for this job, ma'am, because I believe that it is a great opportunity to learn about new cultures and gain work experience in different countries.
Okay, Miss Palmes, you answered what I want to hear, and I hope that you overcome your weaknesses. And I would like to give you a chance to work in this company. Have a great day and God bless. Thank you for this interview.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are hired. Congratulations. Bye, Miss Palmes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Miss Kawasagan. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to this interview. So, Miss Kabasagan, here is your first question. Do you ever smoke or drink alcoholic beverages? Why or why not?
For me, ma'am, yes, ma'am. I occasionally drink alcohol, but I don't smoke because drinking alcohol moderately may provide some health benefits such as reducing our risk of developing and possibly reducing your risk of diabetes, and maybe have a chill sometime, ma'am.
So, here's your second question. What do you consider as your weaknesses?
So I consider my weaknesses is public speaking or talking in front of people because I've always had trouble with public speaking. I tend to get a little nervous when delivering presentation at large meetings. I'm fine when I'm speaking in a smaller group, but any more than that, I am start getting flustered.
Okay, Miss Kabasagan, I hope you conquer your weaknesses. And here's your third question and the last question. Do you have plans to work outside the country in the future?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I have planned to work in abroad because in abroad in the future will allow me to gain a deeper understanding of a country and its culture. I won't just be a visitor anymore, but a temporary member of the community, and it can give me also an enhancement of my capability and help my stability for living in working abroad. And most importantly, it gives me the chance to learn more methods, a new way to approach a problem, and expanding my creativity within this new environment. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Kabasagan. Based on my evaluation as I interview you, Miss Kabasagan, You must cope up with your public speaking or your communication skills. And hopefully your plans in going abroad will happen soon. I will give you a chance to work here in this company. Hope you'll get motivated and do your best, Miss Kabasagan. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.